This section will cover the assessment of impacts on Blanket Bog. Using a peat probe, check the depth of the peat. Peat depth of greater than 50 centimetres is generally classed as Blanket Bog. Mark and lay out the plot in the same way as shown previously in section 3. Record the basic plot information as also shown previously in section 4. Record the height of heather as for dwarf shrub heath, taking the average of 5 measurements within each quadrat. Carry out a browsing assessment on last year's heather by estimating the proportion of last year's heather shoots browsed. If less than a third of shoots have been browsed in the quadrat, the impact is classed as low. If greater than 2/3 of shoots have been browsed, this is a high impact. Assess browsing impacts in quadrats 1, 4, 10, 13 and 16 only. In the absence of heather or blaeberry, cross-leaved heath can be used to assess browsing. Record any browsing on cross-leaved heath in the quadrat as a high impact. For Blanket Bog, an assessment of trampling impacts is required. For each quadrat, record if there is any bare peat and also record if there are any hoof prints in bare peat. Sphagnum or bog moss is an important plant species in bog habitats, so it is useful to record the presence of sphagnum in each quadrat. Record any other information on the sheet which may help to interpret the results and inform future management. For example, a path close to the plot may affect the browsing or trampling impact. The presence of dung can be used to identify species present. Hair or wool can also be used, as well as hoof prints.